No filters, no fancy tricks, just a simple brush. Watch how I clean up this skin like a pro.
Yeah, it takes a minute, but when you see the final look, worth every second. Let's get started.
Now we are in Photoshop. First things first, we need to duplicate the background layer. To do that, use the shortcut key Ctrl and J. Now select the top layer and hide it, and then select the layer 1. Right click to it and select Convert it to a smart object, so that you can edit it later. Now go to the filter menu, noise, and then medium. Set the value where the acne begins to fade. For this picture, it's about 158 pixels, and then click OK. Now go to the adjustment layer and select solid color. Then set the brightness to 50% and click OK. Now right click to the color fill layer and then select Convert it to a smart object. After that, change the blending mode from normal to overlay. And then go to the filter menu, noise, and this time select add noise. Set the amount according to your image and make sure uniform and the monochromatic is checked. And again go to the filter menu, blur and Gaussian blur. Keep it around 2 pixels, then click OK. After that, let's unhide the top layer. Right click and convert it to a smart object. Then change the blending mode from normal to vivid light. Now go to the filter menu, select other and high pass. Then gradually increase radius to bring back some natural skin texture. After that, select all 3 layers by holding Shift key. Then group it. Now go to the layer style and blending option. In the underlying layer section, hold Alt and drag the right slider to the left to hide the effect in highlighted area. Now do the same with the left slider to hide the effect in shadow area. Tweak and twitch it little to fine tune, and after you are done, click OK. Now we add a layer mask to the group. Then use the shortcut key Ctrl and I to invert the mask. Then finally go to the toolbar and select the brush tool. Set the flow around 30% and make sure the foreground color is white. And then all you have to do is brush the acne away. Make sure you don't brush the area where it's not required. Keep it low, take your time, and do your best to remove all the skin imperfections. It also makes the skin softer. Isn't this amazing? And there you have it. This is so easy and professional, right? Now let's look at the before and after transformation. All the acne and other skin defect has been removed, and without losing any texture.
That's it for today. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Photoshop tricks and tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want to learn anything specific next. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.